Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the first empties of 2024. So let's start. I have the bag in here and I will put, like always, all the prices in the description box and everything that I have on my face. So let's start in random order. The first item in here, it is the 3 Hot Watermelon Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is very nice. I love it. First of all, it smells wonderful. I really like watermelon candy in general. The watermelon fake scent that usually candy has, but I love it, and this is the scent. I like this one a bit more than the one that I usually use, the Tutti fruity one. I think I have one in here as well. That one is lovely and it is a lot more affordable. I will repurchase at some point one of these because it is nice and hydrating, and it doesn't have that kind of oily type of feeling left after you are rinsing it. It is just hydrating and nice. Then I finished another shower gel from Dove. I really like shower gels. First of all, shower gels from Dove. This retails for $18 and this one I think is like $4. Yes. So that is that. Then I finished actually these two, the Olaplex shampoo and the conditioner, the normal one. Right now I have the purple one in my shower. I will start using that one after I am doing my hair, because I'm planning at the end of February to highlight my hair a bit more, so I will start using that one. But until then I'm gonna finish the other ones that I have. So shampoo, one of the best. I really love the shampoo from Olaplex. The conditioner is just so nice. I really like it, but it is so annoying because it is too thick. So usually I do add some water in the conditioner just because it is so thick. I can't get product out of here. So this product needs a bit of water in the formula because it is way too thick and it is very annoying to use in this packaging. So because of that I will not repurchase it right now, and they released a conditioner that is purple, so I think I'm gonna buy actually the purple conditioner and then the normal shampoo. But I have way too many shampoos and conditioners in my bedroom right now, so I need to finish those first. These both retails for $32. Another product that I really love and I finished, it is the Superfood cleanser from You to the People. You heard me talk about this one a bunch of times because it is one of my favorites. This is $38. It is pretty expensive. I bought it right now in the smaller bottle just because it takes me a long time to go through it, because I use it only on the weekends usually when I have something like this, a bit more makeup on, and I need something stronger. So because of that I decided this time around to buy the smaller bottle. Then I finished a Dove deodorant. This is my favorite. It is like $3 and it is pretty good. Then I finished this one. I got this one from a friend. I will not repurchase it. Thermal water, I just don't understand it. I know that a lot of people are using something like this, but for me it's not calming enough. It's not doing a lot, but I had it in my collection, so I decided to use it up. I used it with some hyaluronic acid, and for that is nice, but you can use just normal water, something like this. This is not really necessary. Another favorite is the Garnier Micellar water. This is $6. It is really great. And here it is, the other body scrub that I really love. This is the Tutti fruity one, and this is $5, so it is really affordable and a really great one overall. I decided to throw away a sponge. This is the Move sponge, my absolute favorite one. Then I actually finished a brow pencil. This is the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Precision Pencil. I have it in Rich Taupe, and this pencil is just 11 out of 10. This retails for $23, but the thing that I love the most is the spool. It is the best one that I saw in my life. It is the best. But the pencil is nice. It's creamy, but not too creamy. It stays in place. I really like it. It is a great one overall. So I could see myself at some point repurchasing it, but not right now. I'm not running and purchasing it. It is good, but my next one is nice as well. Then I finished a cream. It is the Korres Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic gel cream. This retails for $33, so it is pretty expensive for a gel cream, and it is nice. It smells kind of weird. I mean, it smells like ingredients, but it's not a smell that I really enjoy. I prefer no scent better than this one. It was a nice cream overall, I can't complain, but I just prefer my Isntree water gel cream. That one is just as nice as this one, and I prefer the packaging of that one. It is a squeeze tube. Then I finished a gloss, and I have it in the tissue because it is very dirty. It is the Trigwell lip oil actually, and this one is not my favorite because it was pretty thin, so I needed to reapply. It is a classic lip oil formula, but I prefer something in between of a gloss and a lip oil, something a bit thicker, so that one is not my absolute favorite one. Then I finished the moisturizing cream from Cerave. This is one of my favorites. I have actually another one that I bought because this one is great. I like the packaging. It is a squeeze tube, easy to apply. It is moisturizing but not very thick. So usually when I want a lot of hydration, I'm applying the gel cream from Isntree and then this one on top and some eye cream, and my skin is really nice, and in the morning it is pretty hydrating and plumped. Another product that I want to mention that I don't have in here because it was way too messy, I'm gonna put a picture in here. I finished finally the Moroccanoil color depositing mask. I had the pink one and it is lovely. Right now I really want to go blonde, so I have just the smallest amount of pink left. It will be gone after like 1 or 2 more washes, but the Moroccanoil mask is just the best. I will recommend that one for everybody because it's not doing something bad to your hair, it's actually doing some hydration, and it is really good for your hair. And at the same time you can add any color that you want because they have a bunch of colors and you can mix them. If you want a pinky red or a orangey red or a blue green or whatever you want, you can do that, and I think they are great quality. So I can't recommend that product enough, but right now I want to go blonde again. Another product that is my absolute favorite one, it is the Batiste Overnight Deep Cleanse. This one is just the best. This is my absolute favorite dry shampoo, and that is it because it is affordable and is doing something. Because I tested the Olaplex one, for example, and I tested some others that are not that strong really, and I really want something strong, and this is affordable and good. Then I finished the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This again, very expensive. It is $38, considering that it is an eye cream and you don't really need an eye cream. You can apply something like this around your eyes. It is totally okay. It doesn't have fragrance or something like that, so you can do that. But this was so lovely. It is so thick and so hydrating, but at the same time it's not sticky. It's just, I could see myself at some point repurchasing this one because it was so nice. I don't love the packaging because usually I have long nails, so that's not the best, and sometimes this product is separating a bit, so you need to mix it a bit. The oils and the cream is kind of separating, so you need something like a Q-tip or something to mix it in, but it was so nice, so hydrating, so I will considering at some point repurchasing these. Another skincare items that I finished, it is the Retinol serum from the Inkey list. Right now this is my favorite. It is the 1% one and I love it. It is $26. Retinol usually is a bit more expensive, but $26 is a really fair price in my opinion, and this one is the 1%. They have 0.5% if I can remember correctly. That one is lovely as well. I really like my skin right now because I know what to do. If I have a pimple, I could use the drying lotion. If my skin is a bit irritated or something, I could just hydrate. If I want some exfoliation, I have the Paula's Choice, and on most days I'm using retinol and it looks really nice. So I really like my skincare routine right now, and this product is just 10 out of 10. And like I mentioned earlier, I have here the Isntree Aqua Gel Cream. I think they changed the packaging and it looks a bit different right now, but this is a lovely product. It is not very expensive, it is comfortable, it sinks into the skin. You can use it whenever you want, in the morning, at night, and put something like this on top and you will have very hydrated skin, and it's not sticky, it's just, I will repurchase it because it is so good quality. Then I finished another gloss, and this one is very messy as well. It is the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. I had it in the shade, if I can remember correctly, something with Mary. I'm not sure, it is a pinky shade, it was at least. This is nice. I prefer the newer one from Catrice, the lip oil, lip gloss type of thing, but this is a bit plumping, but in a minty kind of way, not a burning sensation, so for that is great. And then I finished the NYX brow pencil as well. This retails for $8 and it is great. This I repurchased it 10 times or something like that. I have right now in my collection another one and the backup because it's just my favorite. It's just working with brow products, it is pretty important to have one that is a bit more inexpensive because you are going through them pretty fast. So because of that, I really enjoy this one. And lastly, I finished an eye pencil. It is almost done, but it is scratching my eyes if I'm using it, so I can't sharpen it anymore, so I will call it done. This is from Sephora. It is $11 and it is the shade Waterfall, a beautiful green. It was nice. It is an older pencil, but it is nice. Sephora is doing great quality eyeliners. So this was everything, and I will, like I said, put all the names and prices and everything in the description box. And for this empty, we have a total of $370. And like usual, I really enjoy using up the products that I have. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.